have here these 14 karat gold plated sterling silver post Huggie earrings. They are like the perfect blend of classic and modern. They're very compact in size. Here is to demonstrate that they are about a half of an inch in diameter. They're small, but yet they're bold. They hug that lobe just with the right amount of shine, and they instantly give off that polished, effortlessly put together vibe. I got these because we can't wear gold hoops anymore for Catholic school, so the Huggie earring definitely is a better choice. My daughters have been wearing these, and what they like so far are the comfort, no pinching, no slipping, just easy on, easy off. They like the dome design. Very nice, very shiny, very pretty. The light reflects beautifully, giving really the illusion of a more expensive piece. And these are subtle enough for school and chic enough for like going out to dinner or a dance or a work event, and these are stackable. So if you want the layered look with multiple piercings, very, very nice. Would I buy these again? Absolutely. I like calling these Huggies because they're like the kind of jewelry that can live on your nightstand because you'll keep reaching for them every morning. They are very, very trendy, yet timeless. And they're going to be a go-to piece, whether it's to the coffee shop, a meeting, or dance, or a night out. A small hoop that makes a big impact.